Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick little tutorial on how to remove your shift knob out of your G37 or 370Z without destroying it, because I've seen a lot of people having issues with this apparently. I know they put these things on tight with Loctite or something like that from the factory, but I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube and Facebook of people just obliterating their shift knobs, trying to get them off with vice grips or pliers or something like that. So I wanted to share how I got mine off easily without destroying it. Long story short, I ended up putting it back on because the shift knob I thought I liked. It wasn't weighted. It didn't quite fit my hand like this. I thought I liked it until a few weeks later I put the shift knob, or the factory shift knob, back on just for kicks and giggles, and realized how much smoother it shifted and how much more I liked it. So I'm back to that, but thankfully I was able to go back to it because I didn't destroy it. So whether you want to hold on to it for resale value later, or if yours is in really good condition like mine, you could take it off and just sell it on eBay if you find something you like better. But the way to do it is with this strap wrench. You can get them on Harbor Freight, at Harbor Freight or Amazon or something like that. They're literally like $10. They come in different sizes, but get the big one if you can. Go big or go home. You're going to need the extra leverage to break that seal from the Loctite. So, it just works from friction. This grooved area rubs against that, and it keeps it from slipping so bad. So, you just slip it on, tighten it over the fattest part of the shift knob, and then start cranking it. And you'll have to keep adjusting so you don't hit your dash, and put your leverage on it there. And again, the first time with that Loctite, it's gonna have some resistance to it for sure, but this makes it so much easier. It gives you that strong arm that you need to break that seal without having to use vice grips. It causes absolutely no damage to the shift knob. And then once you break that seal, you can unthread it the rest of the way by hand. So that's how I got mine off. Hopefully that helps somebody out there that's having the same issue, and you can get yours off easily with no fuss, no issues, and have a perfectly fine shift knob afterwards that you can again hold on to for resale later. Or you could sell it on eBay or somewhere and get some money back. Hopefully that helps somebody out there. Stay safe, keep your shift knobs clean and safe. See you next time.